Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and today at an event in London, Huawei took the wraps off the latest in its Mate series, the Mate 20 and the Mate 20 Pro. Both continue the tradition of offering flagship specs, big batteries, innovative technology and big screens to those smartphone fans that can't get enough. Like last year, the Pro device is the smaller, narrower phone, but one that's technically superior. From the front, you'll notice immediately that the 6.53-inch fullHD Plus LCD screen is much wider and all-encompassing on the regular Mate 20, and it has a smaller dewdrop notch style too. Flip it over to the back and you'll see it also has a fingerprint sensor where the Pro doesn't. But the Pro does have one, and this is one of its most interesting features. The fingerprint sensor is built into the QHD Plus 6.39-inch curved OLED display, so it's essentially invisible except for a glowing icon when you need to use it. Registering your fingerprint is a very thorough process, but once done, you can use it to unlock your phone or even log into secure banking apps like American Express. Now, the other notable feature is that unusual Leica triple camera system on the back. No monochrome sensors this time, but you do get a 40 megapixel wide-angle camera, a 20 megapixel ultra-wide angle, and an 8 megapixel telephoto zoom lens. So you can choose between three very different focal lengths without losing any detail. And of course the phone has AI mode for automatic scene detection, and there's even a super macro mode for close-ups. As for the selfie camera, that's 24 megapixels. Now, both phones come in a range of really attractive glass finishes, including the Twilight, Midnight Blue and Emerald Green, as well as a pink gold option. Despite being wider and not having curved edges on the screen, the Mate 20's design is largely the same as the Pro. Both have the red power button under the volume rocker on the right edge. There are some differences in the layout of ports on the top and the bottom edges though. And for wired headphone users, the regular Mate 20 also has a headphone jack. Now inside you'll find the latest Kirin 980 processor built using the 7nm process and either 4200 mAh or 4000 mAh of battery depending on whether you go for the regular or the Pro model, and they both run EMUI 9 based on Android Pie. This year we also get wireless charging and even the ability to use that to charge other Qi compatible products, like an iPhone. And if you happen to get the Pro model, you also get a ridiculously fast wired charging. Now, the phones will go on sale in the next few weeks in various regions. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on Twitter and Instagram and all the other important social media networks. I'll see you again soon.